Using this amazing AI tool, you can create videos in minutes with a single command. I'll show you the simple steps and reveal the stunning results in my video. Please subscribe to my channel and join me on this exciting journey. Your support is greatly appreciated. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google and search this website. After search, click on the first link. Step 2. Click on Try for Free button. And you need to create an account on this website. Fill your details. And click on Create Account button. After sign up, you can see this type of interface. Step 3. Click on Create button and you will go next page. Here are many kind of videos. You can use any one from here. After that, you need to select any one and click on this button. Step 4. Now you can edit the video in your own style. You can use many languages from here. Step 5. After your video is complete, you can download the video. Your support is important to me and helps me make more helpful content. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.